Alrighty, so this is the inside of a 152. Here's all your instruments. There's throttle. Here's the primer to get it started. Alright, so right now we are checking our fuel level and seeing if we want to pump some gas out of this right here. There's Phil doing his thing. And check this out. This is an interesting one. I didn't know that CHP had a helicopter over here, but that's CHP helicopter for maybe police chases or I don't know what.
Here's your airport diagram. See this diagram here? That shows you where you are. You're there, okay? When we call him, he's going to give us some instructions. So anticipating that he's going to give us some instructions, we're going to have a map in front of us so we remember this. This is where a lot of pilots, even professional pilots, screw up all the time. It's on the ground. They're fine with the flying. I find the flying part is relatively easy. It's the ground stuff. You look at, this is a relatively easy airport. Some airports are like spaghetti. So
like Las Vegas International or something.
Yeah, okay. So you got to know what you're doing and what you're going to ask him for, okay? So I'm going to tell him, who am I? Where am I? What do I want to do? Right?
So I'm going to say Cessna tail number.
69213. And you don't have to tell him what color you are. You just tell him, I'm at the fuel place. I'm ready to depart. Ready to taxi for departure. VFR.
So I'm back at home. I was reviewing the short footage of me and Phil going for a flight in his beautiful Cessna 152. That was a training operation for me. Super fun to do. I'm still learning how to get a good video with some audio when I'm flying because I'm newer to it. So like and subscribe if you want to see better stuff in the future. Another fun fact that happened, fun story, when I came over in Klein Village in Lake Tahoe, I killed the engine and started diving to come down to Carson Airport, and the fucking doors flew open on the plane, which was wild. It scared the fuck out of me, because that had never happened to me, and you can look down, and it was just a good 4,500 foot drop straight down, so big change in perspective. Super fun to do. I think everybody should try and go flying, though. makes you feel alive. All right, guys, like and subscribe if you got anything out of that.